Hi, my name is Michael Barakowski from the Tactical Kaizen team. Thank you for your interest in this course. Let's talk about what open source is and why people do it. Open source refers to a philosophy of collaboration where others are encouraged to contribute, adjust and organize themselves to an ongoing project. You've most probably heard of open source software, which is popular with users for many reasons. But open source is not just software. Open source is based on sharing. When a project is open source, that means anybody is free to use, modify, and contribute to your project for achieving greater benefits. Any open source initiative is powerful because it lowers the barriers to adoption and collaboration, allowing people to spread and improve projects quickly. Also, because it gives users a potential to control their own development, and it encourages building relationship with other colleagues facing many of the same problems. This coursework is designed to help you develop personal continuous improvement expertise, to support Point Kaizen improvement projects across Q2C Europe. It is tailored to meet the various market needs and designed to fit into your current work commitments. We do require all potential participants to take the online self-paced learning. These online modules are providing you with theoretical understanding of the Kaizen PM practices that you'll be required to implement on a real project. Once you've completed the theoretical part, you will collaborate on a project from the Q2C Europe project pipeline, alongside with RPA developers and guided by senior project manager from the Tactical Kaizen team. The Point Kaizen practitioners who will take part in this ongoing journey may apply for the PM Explorer badge, as their time investment with us will count for the give-back hours required to obtain the badge recognition. If you're not yet sure if project management path would be a good fit for you, you may as well decide to start with the class, working successfully in projects. For requesting your attendance, please ask your squad leader or talent focal to place nomination. Throughout the entire program, you will follow the practical implementation of the Kaizen framework by working on actual project, so that you can easily learn and use to better understand the work you do, assess it, and define ways to simplify and improve it. The following elements are essential to implement Kaizen framework. First, we need to identify an area for improvement opportunity. To start with identification of opportunities, you need to be familiar with the business processes. You will most probably need a change owner as analog to the product owner role. The change owner is a stakeholder, usually a manager or idea originator, with the will to support the improvement process and the authority to make critical decisions that cannot be done within the core improvement team. Once you have identified an opportunity for improvement, the next step is to develop a plan for improvement. We will introduce you to the A3 thinking. Your work will be visually managed with a wall of work board. The cards will represent the actual technique or practice you need to execute. The cards should move from left to right depending on the progress. Based on the Kaizen framework board, you will use the columns, B for backlog, P for plan, D for do, or work in progress, C for check, and A for adjust. When a card leaves adjust column, it can be dropped from the board or moved to backlog or planned again. Adding any blockers in the bottom horizontal swim lane may be good if you encounter a problem. These tasks will need to be resolved quickly. You will be carrying out following agile ceremonies. Backlog planning. Bi-weekly iterations. Weekly Kaizen stand-ups. These weekly Kaizen stand-ups should be seen as small-scale retrospectives. What worked, what didn't, where do I need help? To make sure that speed and priority of change are transparent to everybody involved, the number of iterations needs to be small as well. 3 iterations, meaning 6 weeks in the ideal case, should be the guideline. Now it's your turn to make continuous improvement more agile. I hope you've found this course introduction useful as you plan continuing with your personal development. And remember, it's not what you do, but rather, what you learn by doing it, that matters. Thank you for your attention.